Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you another way of how you can promote a cost-effective campaign promoting a Clickbank product. So most of us, what stopping us from, doing affiliate marketing is our budget. So most of the people who want to try affiliate marketing have a limited budget like me. So I always try to find a way to promote a product that can have that will have a very less amount of expense, but at least I can gain a profit. So in this video, I'm going to show you this product called Back Pain Breakthrough, which we can promote for very cheap budget per day. So here we will be using what we call the Microsoft ads or Bing ads to promote this product. I will show you how we can choose an effective keyword and also create a landing page for you to promote this product. So we go over to Microsoft Ads, and then here in their keyword planner. So as you see here, when you type in the keyword back pain and then hit on get suggestion. So once you're here, click this tab, keyword suggestions, and then sort this average monthly searches by uh, highest to lowest. So as you can see, there are lots of search volume that you can get when you use the keyword back pain, and the cost per click is not very expensive. So imagine you can have 100 visitors for just $11. So that's almost nothing. Like for 100 visitors, uh, there is a big possibility that you can get a sale of $49. Okay, so even if you send 200 visitors, that's $22, and in those 200 visitors, I don't think you cannot make even just one sale. I cannot guarantee, but there is a high chance of you getting one sale per 200 visitors. So that 49.11 conversion will cover the $22 expense that you spent promoting this product that only costs 0.11 per click. So I'm not saying use exactly this keyword, but I'm just giving you an example. So as you scroll here, you'll see this cost per click for every keyword. So what you can do is also you can sort this, and you can go to like page 14, come back until you get some amount. So here, as you can see, there are keywords that you can use just for which is 0.07 per click. So imagine $7 per 100 visitors. So you can get a very high chance of getting a sale from those 100 visitors. So what you can do is do not use exactly these keywords, but use this as a broad match. So I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign. So start by creating a new campaign. So click this visit my website, and then select search ads, and then click on next. All right. And then here, what you can do is just put your campaign name, back pain, and let's say you put $20 per day as your budget, and make sure you choose United States. So if by default these countries are not selected in your Microsoft ads, what you can do is choose this one, and then just search for United States. Most of the people getting sale from this country, so just choose that. Choose United Kingdom, so we will have really large number of search volume, and then Canada. So these three countries will give you enough volume for this budget. Okay, search volume for this $20 budget per day. And then untick this, so we make sure that people are just within that location searching for our keyword, and then click on save. And then here, so you say back pain for your ad group, generic keyword, and just simply type back pain. All right. So our goal here is to test the ad, send 100 visitors or 200 visitors if you can afford, and then see if you can get at least one sale. And if in case you get a sale, then that's the time you decide whether you want to scale your campaign or do whatever you want in that campaign. As long as you see that you get some results, then it's fine without spending too much money. All right, so we're just testing an ad here. Okay, and then click on save again, and then here it's the time we create ad. So for you to easily create an ad, so click create an ad and then choose expanded text, and then the URL of your landing page. So make sure you use a landing page, so you don't get your account won't violate anything in Microsoft Ads, because some of us just direct linking our link from Microsoft Ads to Clickbank. So that's not allowed in in Microsoft Ads. So to ensure that we are protecting our Microsoft Ads account, we have to use a landing page. So head over to thepagepro.com. So this website will help you create free landing page. Okay, and it's very easy. So log in your account. So as you can see here, I've got some landing pages here which I use in my previous videos. And if you had a look at some of the landing page, so it will appear like this. So it's very easy and it's very professional, decent looking landing page that you can use to promote Clickbank products. So when you create a landing page, you just click on add new landing page, and as you can see, you just need to fill in few items here and then click on save, and then it will generate a landing page for you. Okay, so very clean landing page and very professional looking. Okay, and then you can, let's say you are promoting this one, you can control C and just wait, go to your all landing pages, and then here you can directly copy this link. Let's say you are promoting this, copy this and then paste it in your campaign. All right, like that. Okay, now since we are promoting a back pain product, so let me quickly create a sample landing page for you, and so that you can see how quickly we can generate a landing page. So this one is for back pain relief. All right, so let's check the product, back pain breakthrough. Okay, so open that product so we can get some information. Okay, back pain breakthrough, so we can name our landing page as back pain breakthrough. Okay, or we can keep that, and then for patterning, just put back pain. All right, and then here this will be the button, so continue to offer, we can say like that. We can put three, same tree label for these three buttons, and here to type keep it normal. So if you want to collect emails, you can use opt-in, but if you want to just direct the visitor to the offer, choose normal. All right, and then your affiliate link, so get that from Clickbank. So just click on promote and then create affiliate link. So copy that, then go back to your landing page creator, thepagepro.com, paste that, and then if you are tracking, if you have some script to track your visitors, you can put it here. So we leave it that for now. And here, how to get some information that you can paste here. Okay, and then the header. So come back again. And then, so if you cannot find a good header here, what you can do is head over to this website, thetextify.com. I will put a link in the description below. And then here you can use this add tools, add headline, and then make some, and then put your keyword here, and then it will give you some suggestion on the headline or whatever content that you will put in your landing page or in your ad. So this time, let me use this for my landing page and back pain today with our effective treatment plans. Okay, so we can have this. It's just for our example, or you can generate more if this one is not enough for you. So go back to the landing page and we can use this as our headline, and then heading one, and then for image, so get some image from the sales page. Okay, so if you cannot find a good image here, you can always go to their affiliate page. So most of the times they will provide some image here that you can use, okay, for your landing page. What you can do is tap converting email swipe, so just, or text VSL maybe. Let's check this landing page, this sales page. Maybe we can find some good image that you can use. Okay, maybe we can use this doctor. Let's do save as, and then save this image. Okay, and then one more, what we can do is maybe save this lady. All right, and also we can grab this information. All right, go back to our landing page creator, thepagepro.com, and here you can find this option, manage images, where you can upload the image that you're going to use. Okay, so just browse that image. So let me upload that. Okay, and then I need another one. All right, once they're both uploaded, just grab this file name, copy that, go back to the landing page, and then here, paste it here. And then the bullet points where you saw that on the top portion of this landing page, we can grab some information from, these are the bullet points when you create the landing page. So these are some information that you can directly present to your visitors. Okay, so you can get that either from the sales page like these, or you can use the textify.com to help you generate. So what you can do here, go to blog tools, blog outline. In this one, it will give you some idea to put in the bullet section of your landing page. So just type back pain. All right. So you can get some idea, common back pain treatments, when to see the doctor. So maybe you can put that in your landing page. So this is just an example. So you can do better. Okay. So just make sure you do a comprehensive landing page. So it's very easy. Nothing will stop you from creating the landing page. All the tools are here. It's for free. Okay. The pagepro.com and the textify.com for your assistance. Okay. So let's say this three will be enough. So maybe we can get few more from the landing page. So this is our just example, not exactly what you will be putting, but at least you know, you get the idea. Okay. And here again, we put four, maybe four items, and you click on save. Okay, I'll show you. So from, make sure you tick this. Okay, otherwise it won't show anything. Make sure you tick this, show bullet section and show article section. Now view landing page. As you can see here, so we get a pretty good looking landing page. So oh, we forgot the color. Okay, so here just make sure you choose a color. So this one is using a blue color, so let's choose blue for our the main theme of our landing page and the button colors. Okay, so just choose blue and then save. Okay, refresh that. Great, great. We have our simple landing page now. Now we have to add our article section below, just like this, some simple article which will justify our landing page, but it's up to you. You can keep your landing page simple as uh, just the bullet section here, but I recommend we add more information here using the article section, which you can find here. So same thing, just grab a heading, catchy heading. So maybe just take this. So since we get this lady, so we take this. It's just for our simple article, just to make our landing page presentable to our visitors. So just do that, and heading one, and the second image that we grab. So this one, just grab the file name, come over here, okay, and then some text that we can also get from here. All right, simple as that. Okay, go back to your landing page, paste that, and save. Now let's see how our landing page will look like. Just hit on refresh. All right, our landing page looks pretty good now. So this is actually exactly what you'll be going to show to your visitors, and it's quite attractive. And when they click that, they will be redirected to your Clickbank offer. And if they decide to purchase the product, you get paid. All right. Okay. Now our landing page is done. Look at that. Very simple and very clean. Okay. And you head over to all landing pages, so you can grab the URL. All right. Copy that, and this is the URL that we're going to paste in the campaign. All right. Now here in the title part, in the heading, so again, we can come back to the page, the textify.com. It will give us some assistance on creating the our campaign. So same thing, type that, type the keyword get relief from chronic back pain. Exactly. Okay, exactly what we're looking for. So come back here, and then what else? Say goodbye to back pain, or what you can do is put the product name. So this is back pain breakthrough. So you can do that here, back pain breakthrough. And then the add text, you can also get assistance from the textify.com, add description, and then do back pain, compose. So see here, a perfect description for if you're looking for back pain relief. Of course, you have to modify this according to the sales page that you are promoting. But for our example, we will just grab this, put it here. All right, exceeded 4, so we cut this. Okay, all right, perfect. Now here, this is our ads now, and this is it will go to our landing page, and untick that, click on save. So this is the interesting. Okay, cannot exceed. Get relief for chronic. There is an exceeded. Maybe we can remove that. All right, then save it. So this is the part where we will see how much visitors we can get from our budget. So we have a keyword back pain. It's a broad match. So, and let's say we only want to pay $20 for 100 visitors. So what we can do is we can set that to 0.2. And as you can see, look at that huge number of clicks you can get for, with just this budget. What you can do is we can put 0.10. So if not enough, maybe 0.15. I think that is enough. Okay. All right. So this is monthly estimate, but you can get more than that. So for this 0.15, I think you can get around 30 to 50 visitors per day. All right, with this budget. Okay. So it's like you're not exhausting too much of your money trying this product. So all the tools are here for free. The pagepro.com and the textify.com. You can always come to these two websites for you to assist you in your affiliate marketing. Okay. Now, when you click that, once you save that, you'll just have to wait for Microsoft Ads to approve it in 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. See you on the next video.